Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are having a great day out there today. Today in this English comprehension exercise, we are going to be talking about English quantifier words. Quantifiers are words in English that provide an approximate or specific answers to the questions, such as how many or how much. How many is that you're buying? How much is that cake? There are words such as a little, a few, some, many, several, all, or none. You have to take care with quantifier words in English because some can be used only with countable nouns, while others can only be used with uncountable nouns, though some can be used for both. But before we get started, guys, as always, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me if you're not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So, for example, let me give you two examples here. There are not many cars on the road. The English word cars is the countable noun. There are not many cars on the road. Here's another example. I've drunk too much alcohol. Alcohol is the uncountable noun. You can't count alcohol. I've drunk too much alcohol. Now I'm going to give you some quantifier quiz. I'm going to give you a quantifier quiz today. I'm going to give you a quantifier quiz. There are 10 quantifier examples I'm going to be reading to you. I want to see if you can get them correct, okay? Number one, answer these questions with which quantifier words. My friend gave me much help with my homework. My friend gave me a lot of help with my homework. Or my friend gave me several help with my homework. And the answer is a lot. My friend gave me a lot of help with my homework. Number two, in the end, not many people decided to go. In the end, not a few people decided to go. Or in the end, a lot of people decided to go. And in the end, not a lot of people decided to go. And the answer is many. In the end, not many people decided to go. Did you get that right? Number three, I haven't really done less research into the topic yet. I haven't really done many research into the topic yet. And the last one, I haven't done much research on the topic yet. And the answer is much. I haven't really done much research on the topic yet, into the topic yet. Number four, I've got any hours spare later today. I've got a little hours spare later today. Or I've got a few hours spare later today. And the answer is a few. I've got a few hours spare later today. Number 5, I thought I could lend you some money, but it seems I have none left. I thought I could lend you some money, but it seems I have a little left. The last one. I thought I could lend you some money, but it seems I have some left. And the answer is none. I thought I could lend you some money, but it seems I have none left. Did you get that? Number 6. It looks like we don't have a lot milk left. It looks like we don't have any milk left. It looks like we don't have many milk left. And the answer is, it looks like we don't have any milk left. The answer is any. We don't have any milk left. Number 7. I've told her several times that I can't help. I've told her few times that I can't help. I've told her a lot times that I can't help. And the answer is several. I've told her several times I can't help. Did you get that? Number 8. I've only studied French a few, so I can't speak the language much. I've only studied French some, so I can't speak the language much. I've only studied French a little, so I can't speak the language much. And the answer is a little. I've only studied French a little, so I can't speak the language much. Number 9. He gave me some of time to get there. He gave me all of time to get there. Or he gave me plenty of time to get there. And the answer is plenty. He gave me plenty of time to get there. And the last one, number 10. We don't have enough space in our house. We don't have a bit space in our house. And the last one. We don't have many space in our house. And the answer is enough. We don't have enough space in our house. Well, those are the 10 quantifier English statements today with the quantifier words: a lot of, many, much, a few, none, any, several, a little, and enough. Did you get them all correct? Did you get 6 correct? 3 correct? 1 correct? No matter how many you've gotten incorrect, this lesson is for you to study the Quantifier Quiz words in English. Again, quantifiers are words that provide approximate or specific answers to a question, like how many or how much. Again, you have to take care with quantifiers because some can only be used with countable nouns, while others can only be used with uncountable nouns. So that's the lesson today, guys. I hope you comprehend this English comprehension lesson. Don't forget, guys, to like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me if you have not already subscribed to my English channel so you can continue to get these English comprehension lessons, exercises. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So you guys go out there and have a great day, study your English, and I will see you at the next class. Okay? Bye.